Houston Maritime Attorneys. The city of Houston, with its prime location on the Gulf Coast, is a world leader in maritime trade, commercial fishing, offshore drilling, and a variety of other thriving maritime industries cause years ten of of dollar billion of maritime trade in three pass through the Houston area. Our or our facilitated by people working in the Houston area. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have chosen to make their headquarters our employs large number of staff in the Houston area. Additionally, the Port of Houston also provides direct access for mariners and trade to flow fairly deep into the heart of Texas longshore. Longshoremen. Or and other works injured along this water may be able to future their claims to the laws, the LHWCA, Longshore and Harbor Works Compensation Act for those injury while on the water, though they may need an experienced genius X of sort. Attorneys like the ones at Joyley Dennis LLP to properly pursue what they are legally owned under federal and state maritime laws. Houston of Offshore accident lawyers. Earth years a variety of maritime accident and offshore incident for Houston maritime employers are unfortunately preventable when proper procedure and follow and seamen are provide proper equipment. The risk of injury and accident goes significantly down over the careless or negligent employees, employ third parties, and other will put other maritime works in the area or on the vessel at risk for significant injury or death. Offshore and maritime works are legally obligated a safe place to work, including a seaworthy vessel, and in safe condition. When companies fail to provide this legal right and injury happens, they may be liable for the damage directly caused as well as our obligation to same by the Jones Act. While maritime accident and offshore drilling incident are in water occur in water throughout throughout the word often the company leadership and business are based right here in Texas. Such offshore works are often able to future jurisdict and hold their employees responsible in the proper federal or local jurisdiction of the business they work rather than casing juristic of the business they work rather than casing juristic in unfamiliar system and jurisdiction of foreign countries and whether our experienced ex attorneys will help you understand where your potential client may fall fall under and what is the best way to future these claims? Contact us today for a free case evaluation to understand your right. Why do you need an experienced Houston maritime attorney? Maritime laws can be a dizzying maze of complex rules and regulation with require expertise and experience to successfully force claims. Maritime and admiralty injury attorneys need to understand not only not only what law relate to their cases but also its application of those law provide the best avenues for our client. Offshore injuries and fatalities from maritime disaster and incident can leave a family struggling to pick up the pieces. Our firm takes pride in helping our client and their families first what they our own and continue to progress with their lives. Admiralty and maritime law is something our trial attorneys have worked diligently on for decades and why their peers recognize them for their verdicts, settlement, and accomplishment. Our team of attorneys for decades has successfully forced litigation against multi-billion-dollar companies with extensive legal power. Our attorneys have traveled across the globe to fight on behalf of international clients injured while working American companies in the offshore drilling industry. If our experience of short injury attorneys believe in your case, they will fight to get your what you legally deserve and are on. Please contact our team today to see how we can assist you. Proven record of filing verdicts and settlement on behalf of our client at Doyle Dennis LLP, our maritime or an admiralty attorneys pride themselves on the ability to evaluate proper in jurisdiction and the best path power for our clients to get what they are legally owed and serve. The Daily Danish LP Maritime team has a directed history of jury verdicts and settlement on behalf of injured clients and their families. Our attorneys understand what it takes to future a successful of short injury claims and can guide you there with a strong ally and your side to the Dennis LLP with future UK's thought or awareness including a jury trial if we believe that is what it will take to get what you deserve. Our attorneys take pride in their ability to fight and litigate successfully for their hardworking offshore offshore injury client injury client injury client that are looking to move forward with with their lives after horrific maritime accident.